Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing burgers, and we're going to do the frozen kind. Frozen burgers, a lot of people use them. I like to use them too. When I'm not doing smash burgers or homemade burgers, I like to do these once in a great while because these are good. That being said, let's fire up that Blackstone. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it on medium high for the burgers. Medium high. All right, our Blackstone is ready to roll. Here are our burgers that we're going to be using today. So let's put them on. All right, here we go. Put some oil. I need some oil on that. All right, and then here I have a mixture. Only two things I have right here, and it's garlic seasoning and Johnny seasoning. I got about half and half of each in this little container. That's what we're going to be adding for seasoning. We're going to add more seasoning on this on the other side. Oh yeah. We got this garlic seasoning at Costco. Once we tried it, we never looked back. Go ahead and lower this down a little bit. We're going to go ahead and toast our bun. We're going to add some butter. Around. It should be ready to come out. Whew. Those are ready. Cheese time. A lot of the reasons why I always say cook on low, it's because, like I said, stuff sneaks up on you, and you're like, whoa, it's quick. And mine's gonna have a little egg on it. Bam. Look at that. All right, guys, there you guys have it. Here is our beautiful, delicious burger that we're about to mount down. Medium high, as you can saw it. It is a little high. That's why if you see all my videos, the majority of the videos are always low, because you keep an eye on them. Stuff like that doesn't sneak up like you. It's not quick. So for you guys, just go low. Takes a dab more longer, but you'll keep an eye on it. But still, it looks good with all of this stuff in it. Oh. You guys ready? Because I am. I am ready. Love the egg. Hope you guys liked this video. It was quick, it was easy burgers. Everybody loves burgers. This was frozen burgers on the Blackstone Griddle. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that boom, hit that subscribe button for more great content coming. You guys did not want to miss any of it. Make sure you guys check out these videos. Traeger video or Blackstone videos. Yeah. So, we'll see you guys next time.